Review Hub.
Brand name, YRHAND. YRHAND Model, F5. Smart Home Platform, Tuya. Power Supply, Dry Battery. Protection Level, IP66. Material, Zinc Alloy. Handle Direction, Direction Reversible. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Installation Method, Drilling Installation. Fit Door Thickness, 35 to 55 millimeters. Special features, built-in peephole. Doorknob function, biometric, key and keypad. Ways to unlock, app, mechanical keys, card, Wi-Fi.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.